It says that John can start 9 here. Today we're gonna read a cartoon. Creepy pasta, Max Ruby. Max's birthday wind up. Lobster chase, deleted version. Now like this, let me know in the comments below. That being said, thank you for allowing us and subscribers, by the way. That being said,
Max and Ruby. Max's birthday lineup Lobster Chase, deleted version. Does anybody remember the 2002 Nick Jr. TV show Max and Ruby? You know, it's a show is about two bunnies, Max, a rambuck shushies, and determined 3-year-old, and sister Ruby, a patient, goal-oriented, and sometimes restricted 7-year-old according to Wells. The series shows the relationships between Ruby, Max, and the universal nature of sibling relationships. I liked that show a lot when I was a kid, and it's a really good show. Although, there was one deleted scene from the show that almost ruined my childhood. Anyway, I was at home watching SpongeBob SquarePants while eating a chicken sandwich. Until my phone buzzed. I pulled out my phone and looked at my email, and I noticed that I got an email from Nickelodeon themselves. Here's what they said. Hello, Ryan. Since you're a fan of Nickelodeon and that you like our stuff, we decided that we wanted to show you a deleted draft of a scene from Max and Ruby. Please download this file of the deleted draft of Max and Ruby. After viewing this deleted draft of the wind up lobster chase scene from Max and Ruby, please don't screen it anywhere. Nickelodeon. Another deleted draft. I asked in confusion. Anyway, they sent me a file that came along with the message. I downloaded the file from my phone to my laptop. I then turned on my laptop and went to my files and saw that the file's name was Max's birthday with new lobsterchastica.com. I then opened up the file and the video began. Before the video began, yet again, there was a warning. The warning said this is deleted. Later changed wind up lobster chase scene of Max and Ruby. Max's birthday is not for people who are overly sensitive. If you are scared while viewing it, please do not watch this video. Viewer discretion is advised. I got annoyed by it. Here goes the creepy horror show again, I said in annoyance. Anyway, the scene started with the scene when Max was about to eat his birthday cake. A screenshot of the lobster was about to take Max's birthday cake. 1. He and she, the lobster, was about to take Max's cake until the wind-up lobster appeared and was about to take the cake. Suddenly, it had bright red surface with black pupils looking back, bleeding and smiling with sharp teeth. The lobster wants to share your birthday cake, Max, said Ruby. Max started chasing the lobster. No, Max yelled. The scene changed with Max running towards the living room. He sees the lobster as it smashed the cake by running over it. The lobster started chasing after Max. Max went upstairs. The scene changed with Ruby making Max's thank you card to Aunt Clara and Uncle Nate. Aunt Clara and Uncle Nate will be so happy to get this thank you card that they'll want to send us a thank you card back. Just to say thank you for the thank you card. That we'll say thank you and they'll say thank you and then we'll say thank you until we run out of sparkles. Ruby said, should I use green sparkles or gold sparkles? Ruby asked to herself. She had an idea. She put both of them on the thank you card. The scene changed with Max hiding in his room. The lobster appeared and Max went back into his room and closed the door. The lobster fled to the right and fled to the bathroom. Max went out and ran to Ruby's room. The lobster went to Max's room. Max ran to the bathroom. The lobster went into Ruby's room. Max ran to his room. The lobster went to Max's room. Max ran out his room and went downstairs. No, Max yelled. The scene changed with Ruby finishing with the thank you card, putting a rainbow sticker on the card. Ruby sighed in happiness. Beautiful. Ruby said, Max, I finished the thank you card to Aunt Clara and Uncle Nate. Ruby said, Do you want to sign it with a gold star sticker or a bluebird sticker of happiness sticker? Asked Ruby. Max ran past Ruby. So did the lobster chasing Max around the table. The scene changed with the lobster chasing Max around the table while Ruby was watching. Max, don't you want to play with your new toy? Asked Ruby. No. Max yelled. Okay, I'll put it away, said Ruby. The lobster was crashing things. Uh-oh, said Ruby. The lobster was chasing Max, and Ruby was chasing the lobster. Watch out, said Ruby. The scene changed with Max, Ruby, and the lobster chasing each other around the table. Slow down, said Ruby. Ruby giggled. The scene changed with Max, the lobster, and Ruby was getting into the kitchen. It's got to wind down soon, Max, said Ruby. The lobster then hit the radiator and flipped down and flipped back up. Not yet, said Ruby. Max was chasing the lobster, and the lobster was chasing Ruby. Ruby giggled again. The scene changed with Max and Ruby making it to a dead end, and the lobster grabbed a knife and was about to kill them. The lobster was about to kill Max and Ruby. Ready to die, Max and Ruby? Asked the lobster in a deep voice. No, please don't kill us. We're just innocent little bunnies. Don't do this. No, no. Ruby shouted. The lobster stabbed Max and Ruby. Max and Ruby screamed in a loud, blood-curdling tone. As their voice actors didn't make sound at all. I covered my ears for this. I paused the video. I uncovered my ears as I saw my ears bleeding. I cleaned the blood out of my ears. I unpaused the video. It cut to the screen of Max and Ruby's corpses. Max and Ruby had black hollow holes in their eyes. Max had a missing arm. He had one of his ears ripped, crying blood on his eye sockets, and he had a scar on his chest. Ruby had 2 missing arms and a scar on her eye sockets. The scene changed with the lobsters limping down. Grab, I muttered. Then the deleted scene ended. What did I just watch? I asked myself so. I recorded the footage and posted it on YouTube, and I deleted it and sent it back to Nickelodeon. Later that night, I had a nightmare about the wind-up lobster chasing me, then I got killed. If you find an email that was sent by Nickelodeon about the deleted scene from one of their shows, don't watch it. That's it, guys. I like that one. It has enough detail to make it extra scary. So if you guys enjoyed it, let me know in the comments below and like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for 177 subscribers by the weight of the shadow. That's from 2009 signing off.